Next one is supplier payment entry. Again, credit purchase. And this manual stock entry. It will works like purchase entry, but it will not calculate any taxes. Similar like purchase entry. Similar like purchase entry, but it will not calculate any taxes. This will not reflect in tax report also. Next is stock less option. For your personal needs, if you are taking some medicines that you don't need to keep in billing like sales entry, you can keep in stock less. Manual entry. It works like similar like sales, but it will not reflect in tax reports. So this manual stock entry, stock odd and stock less, this will not reflect in a tax report and accounting reports. Next, item master. You can create your own master, or if you want, we can load the default products also during the installation. Item name, molecule name, category, like this. Molecule name, category, schedule, manufacturer, location, HSN code, and minimum and maximum quantity. You can do bulk upload also using Excel option. Or if you are using any other software, no need to worry. Our team will convert all your data from your existing software to our software. You can do yourself also using this Excel option. Supplier master. Name, address, contact number, and drug license numbers. These all. You can upload bulk stock also. Supply list, bulk upload. And these are the reports. The sales report. Sales summary. Consultant wise report. Patient wise sales report. Item wise sales details. Patient wise sales details. So we have given all the reports. Day wise sales details. These are summaries, item wise summaries, category wise summary, manufacturer wise summary, supplier wise summary, molecule wise summary, consultant wise summary, written reports, reports, supplier wise purchase report, item wise purchase details, item wise purchase summary, manufacturer wise purchase summary, category wise summary, and supplier wise and purchase return reports. These are stock reports. We can generate by category or select. And stock summary, stock value. So stock in then purchase value, MRP value and sales value. Batch wise stock report, batch wise stock details, stock movement report, so drug name, opening stock plus purchase quantity plus stock odd plus sales return quantity and sales minus sales quantity minus stock less minus purchase return, so closing stock. This sometimes may call stock register. From this date to this date, overall transaction, stock transaction, opening stock, purchase quantity, stock odd plus sales return minus sales quantity, stock less and purchase quantity and closing stock. This is minimum stock report, reorder report. So reorder level is 50, current stock in hand is 10, so deficit quantity 40. Reorder level 500, stock in hand 250, so required quantity or deficit quantity is 250. Maximum stock report, excess quantity report. Maximum quantity 200, so excess quantity 476. Expiry report. And then short expiry report. For example, some supplier will accept expiry in 2 months, or some supplier accept expiry in 3 months. So for that, first we have to set expiry return date in supplier master. supplier master, expiry return date. So we can return the product before 2 months or 3 months based on the supplier. So you will get the 100% amount. After expired, if you return, you may not get the full amount. So you can set 30 days or 90 days based on the supplier. This will come automatically. Expiry in 30 days or 40 days or 90 days. So short expiry is very important. Supplier wise auto expiry report that I explained right now. Non-moving stock report. This will help you to control the dead stock. For example, if some product you may purchased before 2 years or 3 years, but still that you are having stock. If you using this report, you can control the purchase. You can avoid the dead stock. Nil stock report. And supplier reports. Dues report. Bill amount, paid amount, due amount. Overdues report. Supplier payments reports. Supplier list. Patients dues report. This for pharmacy only. For OP bill and IP bill, we can see in patient profile. Patient receipt report for pharmacy. Bills and payment statements. Next module is accounts management. These are automated software. For example, OP bills will directly goes to the OP bills account under incomes, and IP bill will go to the IP bills account under incomes. Also pharmacy purchase and sales. Rest of the others we can create. First we have to create masters like this. Account group under assets or liabilities or income or expenses, and it is debit and credit balances. Then we can make in the voucher entry. We can do entry of credit voucher, also debit voucher for the bank and cash entries. For example, for what? Software service. So like this. And we can alter or we can update it under administrator control. This one is contra entry from cash account to bank account and bank account to cash account. We can transfer the amount. Bank master. These are reports. Receipts and payments. Group summary. Profit and loss account. Trial balance. And then balance sheet. Assets and liabilities. This one is cash book summary. Bank book summary. Voucher report. Payment mode wise voucher report and ledger wise voucher report and group wise voucher report. Apart from this reports, if you need any type of report, that we will do customize. Next one is settlement option. Day end process. So number of OP bills and cash, card and credit and total amount and OP discounts and IP bills. IP discount, IP advance refund, IP advance received and credit payments. So total in cash, in card, in credit and total amount. This you can print directly. Then pharmacy settlement, pharmacy bill summary. Total sales bills and sales return minus sales return amount and credit payment received, so total cash and user wise summary. Next module is prescription register. So case type, OP case or IP case, and if OP we can enter using OP number or UHID also. Select the patient and select the consultant. SPO2. For example, I am making one sample entry. Complaints, investigation, diagnosis, and then reports. Advice like take rest and medicine. Next, follow-up date after 2 days. If you make this follow-up date after 2 days, that reminder message will automatically send to the patient. If you enable SMS feature, this will send automatic message. And these are the drugs. Food, before food or after food, on morning, afternoon, evening, night. Like this also, 50 ml. And then prescription report. Diagnosis wise report, patient wise report. Next module is patient management. It's patient profile. Receipt entry against IP and OP credit bills. For example, let me make one credit bill. Next module is patient management. Patient profile management. receipt entry against IPOP credit bills. You can print the receipt also. Patient list, bulk upload option. Patient's due report. Patient receipt reports. Patient bills and payments. Patient list. Gender wise patient list. Patient list we can select bulk and we can send SMS also. And category wise, for example, if you want to send message to all sugar patient, you can do entry in sugar patient like in category. Anytime you can send messages. And then consultant wise patient list, profession wise patient list. So next one is consultant management. So like this you can enter consultant name and details and contact numbers and status, active or inactive, like this. And then department master, like general medicine, ortho, emergency, casualty, like this. And then follow-up management, follow-up list. For example, you can send messages, SMS also to all patients. And then HR management, staff profile management. So complete details including staff photo. Salary management and attendance management we will do integrate based on the requirements during the installation. And staff list. Next module is tax report, GST returns. And this one for purchase. And sales. Purchase return. Sales return. GST summary. So total sales amount, sales return. So output tax 428.98. So purchase amount minus purchase return. So total input tax this amount. So tax payable. HSNIC report. And date wise summary. Date wise written summary. Next module is MIS report, Management Information System reports. So profit and loss statement we have already seen in accounts module. This one for bill wise profit, bill wise or day wise, item wise profit for the pharmacy module. So sales value, purchase value, so profit amount. Day wise profit. This report super admin one can able to only see. Others administrator or user, this will display disabled automatically. Item wise profit. Supplier wise profit. And these are deleted bills, deleted and altered bills. Deleted IP bills. These are super admin report. Alter bills report. Alter bills report and bulk upload history. So we have given all the reports. This report can be sent through email also for the management. Now we are developing one on mobile app also for the management. So from mobile itself, you can able to control the complete software. Next is SMS option. So automatic SMS alert if you want yes or no, and for the delete and alter if you want receive SMS option, and daily statement. This one for manual SMS. Simply select patient list, type and send. Email option. This email option will help to for Google Drive backup, and also helps to receive the daily statements reports. Next is user management. There are three types of users: user, administrator, super admin. So we have already seen in all the modules. We have already seen user can able to only enter the data, and administrator can alter or delete the data, and super admin can monitor the administrator activities. User permissions. And backup module. So if you use first option, day and all process, the backup will store automatically in other drive like D drive or E drive or external hard disk or external pen drive. So no need to worry about backup. If you don't use this option also, you don't need to worry. Backup are stored automatically in our software. So our software is 100% reliable and 100% secure. So if you use this option, when backup is stored in on external hard drive or USB drive or any other system except the server system, stored in other system, and one backup is sent to your Google Drive account, and you will receive the daily statement SMS and daily statement email. You can use the separate option also for backup only or SMS only or email only, or you can use this combined option. You can use the shortcut in homepage itself. Use this for better experience and for 100% reliability. And settings. You can control the complete software from settings.